Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks, and I promise you this is the last part. I think this is part 4. Been helped somebody trying to duplicate this. And then I was playing around tonight. If you don't need the diamond shapes to be going this direction, I created this really quickly. I think it's actually better if you were just cutting something out because look at this spiral type pattern. This diamonds are completely equal. And the reason I thought about this, I was helping somebody, and he designed this kinetic design. And what his plan is that this is going to rotate one direction. The duplicate on top of it is going to rotate the opposite direction, and you're going to get the really unique look of this thing spinning. But he drew this, basically traced this from something. I thought, there's a way to do that like this and just grab one of these pieces. And when I came up with this, I didn't come up with it. When I was playing around with it, I started thinking, wow, that might help that other processor. We're going to take the Smart Fill tool and we're going to fill in every other line. That's going to give us some space between our lines for basically for our diamond shapes. And like I said, this will be the last video unless I figure out how to make the diamond shapes like I want. This is all grouped together so I can pull it out of the way. Now I need to group this together, Control G, and we're going to grab our twirl tool, which is underneath the shape tool. Make the twirl tool a little bit bigger than your item. And when you use it, sometimes you have to click on the item before you go to the center and then try to get as close to the center as you can and twirl it. And you can go many more times. But that'll work. And then I'm going to left click, right click, and watch this when I Control D and mirror it. Look at our diamond shapes. And they metamorphose or almost change. So let's do every other one. And you could do, many different designs out of here. But I'm just going to do 2 rows, and hopefully it'll come out as nice as the first one. But see how the diamonds are actually changing? And it's a shame we can't use that one, but maybe on the next run. And then we're going to take and use the next one over and straight down. Now the only variable is when you rotate it, what it's going to look like. And see how yes, we're going to get to use that one. Now, these should move out of the way, and we have that. Control G and make a duplicate of it, or Control G to group it, then Control D to duplicate it. Then move the center rotation to the center. And then we're going to have to manually rotate this to see what degree we're going to want, or what degree is going to kind of fit. And there's 19, we're going to go 20. And they're pretty evenly spaced out, so you could use 18 or 19. Control D, go 40. Control D all the way around. And you're going to always come up even. And just look at that. I mean, the spiral pattern is pretty cool. And then all you have to do is left click, right click in red, make sure it's a hairline, and that'll cut out. Put you it's 12 inches, put you like a 14-inch circle around it. You could even go a little less. That's even less. To make it less, just hold down the shift key. You don't want too much less, then hit P. And then just to kind of show you what it's going to look like cut out of wood, let's say if you use wood that's this color, that's what it's going to look like cut out of wood. To me, it's more, well, one, it's dead on even, and you get these weird, almost metamorphoses of shapes and sizes. And, you could basically follow these around. That's almost getting to my eyes. But anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.